going to use problem solving in teaching mathematics. So our topic for today is we will learn on how to solve real-life problems involving the GCF and LCM of 2 to 3 given numbers. So let me first introduce to you what is GCF. The GCF is greatest common factor, is a term used to describe the biggest number or largest number that can divide evenly into two or more numbers. So, meaning, yung GCF is kukunin natin yung pinakamalaking common factor by each given number. So, here we have three method, which is different method in getting GCF. Pag sinabing 3 method, for example, may 3 given numbers tayo, which is 20, 12, and 24. Sa 12, kukunin natin yung common factor ng 12, which is the possible common factor of 12 is 2 and 6. Since 6 can be factored, so ipa-factor din natin siya by 2 and 3, and the same lang din siya dito. And the second one is factor method. May tatlo tayong given numbers, which is 12, 20, and 24. Sa 12, ang given ay ang factors ng 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Sa 20, 1, 4, 5, and 20. Sa 24 naman is 1, 2, 4, 6, 12, and 24. Which mean, ang factor method ng 12, 20, and 24 is 4. So the next is LCM, or least common multiple, is the smallest common multiple of two numbers or more numbers. Meaning, kukunin daw natin yung pinakamababa na common multiple. So, for example, 10 and 25. So, what are the multiple of 10? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and so on. So, paano nakuha yan? Pag 10, mag-add lang tayo ulit ng 10 is equals to 20. Plus 10 is equal to 30. And then, diretso na yan. Kung ano yung number na pinag-uusapan. Next is 25. 25, 50, 75, 100, and 125. So, ano daw yung pinakamababa na magkaparehas sila? Which is 50. So, let's go here in problem solving. Tayabas Elementary School received a package of learning modules from the division office. It contains 24 math modules, 40 science modules, and 32 English modules. If these modules are to be placed in envelopes such that each envelope contains the same number of learning modules per subject, what is the greatest number of envelopes that can be used? So, before we dive in, let's see first the steps in solving word problems. So, first steps is read and understand. So, consider this question. What is asked? Ano yung tinatanong sa problem? So, the problem is asking for the greatest number of envelopes that can be used. Second, what is or are given facts? So, 24 math modules, 40 science modules, 32 English modules. Next is, what is the word clue? Since ang hinahanap natin doon is greatest number, so the word clue natin agad is greatest number. Step 2 is plan. So, we need to plan to solve the problem since we need to find the greatest number. So, we will use continuous division to find the greatest common factor of the numbers. Step 3, solve. First, arrange the numbers horizontally. 24, 40, and 32 pahiga. Second, write the common prime divisor at the left-hand side, which means yung prime divisor natin, nilalagay natin siya sa left side. Next is, divide them by a suitable prime numbers. So, i-divide natin yung given numbers natin sa common factor. So, 24 divided by 2 is, lalagay natin yung sagot dito sa may quotient. So, let's proceed in solving. 24, 40, and 32 is divisible by 2. Let's use 2 as your prime common factor. So, 24 divided by 2 is equal to 12. 40 divided by 2 is 20. 32 is divided by 2 is 16. Since 12, 20, and 16 is divisible by 2 again, let's use 2 again by this. So 12 divided by 2 is 6, 20 divided by 2 is 10, 16 divided by 2 is 8. So let's divide again by 2. 6 divided by 2 equals 3, 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5, and 8 divided by 2 is 4. So in this case, 3, 5, 4 have no common divisor. So this time, multiply all the prime factors or the common divisor. So 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 8. Last step is we need to check. So we need to make sure is 8 is the greatest common factor of 24, 40, and 32. So we can do it through listing all the factors of each given number. So the factors of 24 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. The factors of 40 is 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20, and 40. And then the factors of 32 is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, and 32. So 8 is the common factors of 24. So let's proceed here in another problem. So Eliza Faith cuts out rectangular pieces of cloth to make face masks and lays them out. Each piece of colored cloth is 6 cm long, while the white cloth is 8 cm long. What is the shortest length of which the pieces of cloth will line up side by side? So let's go here in solving word problem. So consider this question again. What is asked? The shortest length of which the pieces of clothes will line up side by side. Next is, what are the given facts? The length of colored cloth is 6 cm, while the length of white cloth is 8 cm. Next, what is the word clue? The word clue is shortest length. Step 2, plan. So we need again the use continuous division to find the LCM or the least common multiple. Step 3, solve. Let's solve here. So the length of colored cloth is 6 cm, while the length of white cloth is 8 cm. So 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 8 divided by 2 is 4. So we will add again. 2 times 3 times 4 is equals to 24. So we will use again the listing method. So what are the multiplies of 6? 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, and etc. The multiplies of 8 is 8, 12, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, and etc. So the least common multiple of 6 and 8 is 24.